Hey guys, we are on to step 7. We've achieved a lot. Let's see what's step 7. So, in step 7, we will be creating the videos. How we'll be creating these videos, what's the process? That's what is in step 7. So, here are some ways of creating the video. This is not an exhaustive list at all. Okay, talking head is the one where you're seeing me talk. That's the talking head video. You can create something like that. You can do a screen share. How to do a screen share? You can use something called the OBS software. OBS, just Google OBS, and that's how I'm doing my screen shares. So basically I have a PowerPoint slide and I'm sharing the PowerPoint slide. Okay, animated videos, you have many white animation tools available. You just have to either buy them one-time fee or pay a monthly subscription, and then you can create animated videos. If you like doing that, you can do that. Another thing is types of videos. What types of videos can you make? Like daily life videos like you see on my channel, where they are telling you about a particular subject, how to do something. These are more like a tutorial videos. If you have a product, say a cup, the benefits of having this cup and things like that, these are the product videos. You can sell products, showcase products, tell them the benefits of a pen or a cup, and sell them this cup. You can have these on your own website if you would like it. I sell products from my website, so I have a e-commerce site set up which is free. I have an automation system set up which is free. I accept payments which is free. If you need that, let me know and I can create one video for that. Okay, and go ahead and create the video. Generally I use my phone to create videos. Any product videos I create using the phone. Any talking head videos I use the phone. But this is a screen share video, so that's why I'm using the laptop. I'm using the webcam on the laptop and also sharing the screen using the OBS software. For editing, if you want to have a good editor, let me show you. You can use this editor. Okay, so this is again a free software. It's called the OpenShot video editor, and you just have to Google OpenShot video editor, and if you need instructions on how to use the OpenShot video editor, you can let me know. There are other editors in the market such as Filmorago and many others. I'm not going into I'm doing everything free. So this is the OpenShot editor. You just add projects, you add files to the projects, and then you can start editing them, adding different tracks. You can add music to the different tracks, so it's pretty decent. So that's it. Go ahead and create your video, and we will look in the next section how to do video SEO so that you start ranking. That is the best part, ranking your videos. So if you haven't signed up for the YouTube course, the link is on the screen.